Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is Simple Tech 100 guys. So guys, in today's video we want to look at how to make powerful inverter using a flyback transformer, as you can see guys, and we can get it inside our TV at home. So follow up guys and see how we build this. Thank you. So guys, as you can see, we make use of 606 ton guys. This is the loop which have our positive, and here's for the driver input, the 2 wire here is for the driver input. This is the positive. This is 606 ton guys. So we are going to test it now guys. So guys, as you can see, we are using this our driver that we made for high voltage inverter. We are using it for this our high voltage transformer guys. So we are going to use it now. So follow up. So guys, this is our battery. I'm using 3.7 volt battery in series. So we have 7 volts. This is our negative and this is the positive. So we have 7 volts guys, and this is 55,000 milliamps battery. So this is 7 volt battery. This is our negative and here is the positive, and this is the negative. So we are going to connect it here, and this is the positive wire guys. So I'm going to find a long wire and connect it here, and this is our switch. Guys, this is our positive wire, and I cross it like this. So this is it here guys. So I'm connecting it to this wire. So this is the positive wire guys, positive wire, and here is the negative wire. I made it in series with this battery. So this is the negative and here is the negative wire guys. So we've turned it on off here. So if I on it now to start working. So guys, here is our battery. This is the negative wire, as you can see, like this, for the MOSFET, and here's our positive that comes to like this, and this is it guys. So this is the switch across it that goes to the middle of this one, and we are going to put the positive of this capacitor to this middle so that when we on it to trigger the capacitor, and it can work for this inverter very well guys. Input, and here's the positive, the middle wire. So guys, I want to on it now so that we can test our project. Maybe it is working. So let me on. So as you can see guys, it's very powerful. So we are going to test it with this bulb now guys, and see how the thing is very powerful. So as you can see guys, it's very powerful. So guys, as you can see, we want to test our project once again, and here's the battery. So let's try it, guys. So as you can see, guys, our project is working fine. It is very bright. So as you can see, so if you find this video helpful, guys, please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. So we want to test the health voltage.